October the 2nd, 2020. Guys, a quick update. We've got a very powerful storm wrapping up here in the Caribbean, about to come around the Yucatan Peninsula and move over near the Bay of Campeche. Navy model has got it getting very strong at that time, and also the storm that's behind it speeding up and actually reaching shore before this one does. But look at all of our smoke coming out of the west, guys. Colorado's got some now, and in that area in New Mexico. California, of course, is still burning, but all the way from Mexico up through Oklahoma, and then the front is compressing it just above this storm going through the panhandle of Florida and Georgia. You can see the different colorations. Never seen this before in my life. I really wish people would come together and get on top of this. Here's our second storm, 40% chance of development, and it's going to speed up. It's wrapping up, and it's supposedly, according to the Navy model, as the larger storm moves around the Yucatan, guys, and slows down, the storm behind it, which is 40% chance of development, is going to pull into the right and come up into the Florida Peninsula. We don't know where the first storm is going to hit yet because they've stopped that model, but as a very strong hurricane. This was 2 p.m. update, again, tropical wave. And it's going to, again, outpace the first storm, which is tropical depression number 25. The next update, we should have a tropical storm. And really, guys, it already looks like it's a very powerful one to me. Again, it's going to curve up, and there's a front that's pushing that smoke down across Mexico. It's going to get caught up in that for a minute. And possibly, if it follows the second storm, will be pulled back to the north and to the east. They stopped this model here, but let's take a look at the some of the Navy modeling. But again, tropical storm next update, and I think it will be a hurricane before very far into that loop. Once you get into these purple lines in your barometric pressure, guys, you're way past a tropical storm. So it's going to be a very interesting week coming up, because you're looking at, well, in the morning, it'll be 7 days before the second storm crosses Florida. We're a week away from that. It's kind of a long-term time period. We'll have to watch and see if it doesn't speed up from that. But that first storm that's coming in and going to wrap around, again, the Yucatan, is going to be very powerful wherever it goes. But the winds are that's pulling the second storm up into Florida are going to be prevalent about that time, and it could cut in and follow it. Of course, it's going to change over the next few days, and of course, we will be watching it. It's a heads up. Be safe.